Love these little tracks. And I'm super keen to see if these whites are here all year round. One of the whites is coming a bit closer, so it'd be good to get the GoPro out there on it and see if I can make this successful. That'd be sick. Not the GoPro, mate. You're not having my GoPro. Oh, he's got his fin out. This is sick. He's just following me. One thing you got to be careful around here is the kangaroos. They like to just hang on the road, so got to be a bit careful. You okay, bud? Nearly got you. Stay off the road, mate. Hello, guys. Black cockies, guys. I'm on my way to the cove. Beauties. Just love them. Favourite bird, so majestical. Aren't ya? Hello, beauty. Well, I'm here again. Almost on the beach, just walking down now. And I'm super keen to see if these whites are here all year round. So I'm going to do a few little tests as well. I might get the board out at some stage, tie a rope to it and see if it has any interest in the board on its own. Yeah, I might even drop the GoPro camera on my drone, see if that works. There's a few waves around today, so see what's going on out there. Excited. Here we go, our first shark. That didn't take long. Literally, I don't know, about 1 minute. Here we go, shark number 2. It's in a bit closer. Definite white. Of course. Hey, bud. So it looks like it might be an all year round, these guys. Time will tell. I'll just have to keep coming back and checking in on them. A little bit of research. Well, that was the first battery done. 3 sharks, 3 whites. So yeah, they are here. Well, they've been here since when I saw them just before Christmas time. And that's now nearly June, so I'll keep coming back, but hey, got a lot more to do yet today, guys, so stay tuned. We'll see what happens out there. Might get some feeding action. You just went over it, mate. You just went over that big ray. Oh, there's an eagle ray, mate. Oh, he had a go at it. Oh, that was a big ray, dude. For you. Oh, it's beautiful now. Sun's out. Gorgeous day. No one else on this whole stretch of beach. me and the sharks. So, second battery saw just one. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to just give the little the GoPro a test on the drone. See how that goes. Alright, let's go give this a whirl. Got the GoPro tied to the drone. Guys, I highly recommend you do not try this at home unless you're a skilled pilot. Otherwise you're going to lose your drone and your GoPro all at the same time. We're recording. Let's go. Let's go, GoPro. One of the whites is coming a bit closer, so it'd be good to get the GoPro out there on it and see if I can make this successful. That'd be sick. Ooh. You wanted to have a go at my camera. Shit. Still does. I think you can see it. He thinks it's a bird or something. It's coming back. Don't know which way the camera's facing, unfortunately. Whoa. Whoa. Not the GoPro, mate. You're not having my GoPro. Oh, he's got his fin out. This is sick. He's just following me. Oh, you're not having my GoPro, mate. Wow. Very interested in my GoPro. Oh yeah. Check the footage and yeah, got a little snippet of the shark with the GoPro, so that was cool. Oh, old Brucey showed his face. He actually, yeah, was trying to, yeah, you could see anyway, he was trying to get my GoPro. That dude. How awesome. Well, it's not just me anymore, there's a couple of fishermen up there, but it's just heaven. Just cruising, just loving life, are you, mate? Looking for rays and fish. Machine. It's coming up to the surface. Oh, look at, hello, beauty. Wow. Oh. Wowzers. crackhead. See you, Brucey. Hey guys, didn't even see you there. Want to come through? Nice and quietly. Hey mate, I'm not gonna hurt you. How are you? Day 2. Unfortunately, the wind's not very favourable today. The southerly blowing is very overcast, but I'll go give it a bash. Never know. Just had another crack with the GoPro. GoPro, come home. There it is. Oh, he had a good go at it too. I thought it was in his mouth at one point. Oh, that was bloody cold down there today. That was epic. I can't wait to get back and check the footage. Yeah, he had a, so I had it on my GoPro again, but he had a bit of a lunge at it. I hope the camera was facing the right way. I'm pumped to go and check it. We got a little wave rider here, have we, mate? Are you wave riding or are you fish chasing? Oh, he's wave riding. Hey, mate, woohoo! Love that. Gorgeous. Here he goes. Yes. You. Well, that's it guys for Trek 1. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the next little trek I do, and leave your comments down below what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see more of, and yeah, we'll just rock on.